Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be replacing the front glass of the Samsung Z Flip4. So the tools we're going to need are going to be really simple, just a pick, a razor blade, and some heat. You might also need some adhesive, but this part that I bought came with adhesive. So pretty much the first thing you're going to do is turn off the phone, but then you're going to add some heat around the edges of the screen. There's just thin adhesive that goes around this whole entire area that's attached to the metal, so that's all you really need to heat up. After doing that, you can get a razor blade in there. I recommend starting at the top area and just kind of lifting up just a little bit like this, so then you can get a plastic pick in there. Once you get the pick in there, all you got to do is just cut through the adhesive. If it does get a little bit difficult, you can add some more heat, or if it's really shattered in one area, you want to add some heat and kind of lift up like this, so then you can get through that glass. Once the adhesive lifts up, you're going to have some that's stuck onto the phone and some that's stuck onto the glass, which is fine. But what you want to do is you want to lift it up just a little bit like this, so then you can get a pick into this little area right here. Lift up the cable cover and then lift up the cable, obviously. Obviously you want to be careful because you don't want to damage anything right here. Once that comes out, that's the only cable, so you can just lift it up off the phone. Now this adhesive kind of sticks to the actual screen itself rather than the phone, so that's kind of good, but you do want to clean it up just a little bit so then when you add the adhesive or when you put the adhesive that's on the screen, it'll stick properly. Also, the part that we have comes with the OLED attached. You can separate that, it is possible, but it's probably going to be difficult because it looks like it is laminated together. Either way, what you're going to do is you're just going to plug the screen in like this, put over that little cable cover, and remove the adhesive and stick it down. Make sure all the adhesive is removed. If you want to add some heat like I did, you can, but all you're going to do is just set it down back in place, making sure that it's lined up properly. If you want to put clamps on there, you can. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend dropping this in water, but other than that, you're all set. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and as always, thanks for watching.